So I've got the Galaxy Tab A11, and let me show you how to use apps in split screen mode, basically multitasking on this tablet. So open one of the apps you want to use in split screen mode. So let's say, for example, that could be YouTube. You want to watch a YouTube video and you want to do it in split screen mode. So let's open a specific video like this one. Now, once you open that video and that video is playing, you want to go into multitasking mode. So for instance, you can tap on this multitasking window. And once you're in this multitasking mode, you can go to that app, tap on the icon at the top, and then select open in split screen view. Now that's going to open that app in the top half of the screen and then offer you the option to open any other app you want in the bottom half of the screen. So I'm going to use Chrome, for instance. And as you can see, I have two apps running in split screen mode. Okay, so I could be playing this video and reading an article at the same time. And I can adjust the amount of space each of the app occupies using this slider. Now I could also rotate the phone. If I have screen auto rotation enabled, I could rotate it like this and use the apps in this landscape manner. So I have this app here and I have this article here and I'm reading and I'm watching, and it's absolutely wonderful. Again, I can also adjust the screen real estate that each of the app occupies so that I can have more space on one of the apps. So that's how to multitask in split screen mode on your Galaxy Tab A11. Thanks for watching and good luck.